Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best paracord bracelets for survival on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet 2-pack. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet 2-pack is a compact and versatile survival tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Each bracelet integrates a fire starter with striker and ferro rod, a loud emergency whistle, and an easy-to-read compass, providing essential tools for wilderness navigation and safety. Additionally, it includes 12 feet of military-grade paracord, useful for building shelters or securing gear. The adjustable design fits wrists from 8 to 10.5 inches, accommodating men, women, and children. Lightweight and practical, this bracelet is a valuable addition to any hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness kit. Number 2 is the Survival Paracord Bracelet Darson. The Darson Survival Paracord Bracelet is a multifunctional tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. This 20-in-1 bracelet includes a fire starter, compass, whistle, and a waterproof SOS light with 3 modes: flashlight, SOS signal, and flash warning, capable of operating for up to 72 hours. Constructed from military-grade 550-pound paracord, it provides over 3 meters of durable rope suitable for various survival tasks. The bracelet is adjustable to fit wrists from 8 to 10.6 inches, making it suitable for both adults and children. Its compact design ensures it's a practical addition to any emergency kit or outdoor gear collection. And the first position goes to the 20-in-1 Survival Paracord Bracelet Adjustable Gear Kit with SOS LED light. The 20-in-1 Survival Paracord Bracelet is a compact and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It features essential survival gear, including a fire starter, emergency whistle, compass, and an SOS LED light with 2 modes, steady and flashing, capable of operating for up to 72 hours. The bracelet is made from 550 grade paracord, providing over 3 meters of durable rope suitable for various emergency situations. Its adjustable design fits wrists from 9.25 to 11.6 inches, ensuring comfort for most users. This multifunctional bracelet is ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 paracord bracelets for survival that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.